Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
You start by toasting 200g hazelnuts at 170 degrees for 10-12 minutes so oils bloom and flavor develops. Once done, rub off skins while warm to avoid bitterness. While they cool, caramelize 150g sugar to a deep amber, then add the nuts and blitz to a smooth praline paste. This concentrates hazelnut flavor and replaces industrial paste. Make sure to measure chocolate next. 100g milk and 200g dark will form your gianduja and coating. Move straight to melting while praline cools. You now combine 100g milk chocolate with about 150g of your praline paste to make gianduja. Melt gently over a bain-marie and add 20g cocoa butter if needed to loosen. Once glossy, pipe or scoop 8 to 10 gram dollops onto parchment, pressing one whole toasted hazelnut into each to recreate the signature core. Freeze these centers 10-15 minutes to firm quickly. Meanwhile, crush wafer sheets or mix 30g puffed rice with a little melted chocolate to form the crisp layer you'll wrap around the gianduja. You finish by wrapping each gianduja center with the wafer or crisp mix and smoothing into a spherical shape. Chill for 10 minutes so they hold. Temper 200g dark chocolate to give a shiny snap, then dip each sphere, tapping off excess. Immediately roll in finely chopped toasted hazelnuts to replicate the Ferrero texture, then place on parchment to set. Make sure to refrigerate briefly before serving. If the coating dulls or cracks, re-temper the chocolate or add 5 to 10% melted cocoa butter to restore fluidity.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.